start like that. That's how you need to start it, Miss Kate.
Hi everyone, it's Miss Kate.
And Miss Hazel.
Today we're going to do something that I think is so fun and silly, but if you ever want to make decorations for a party and you're making them yourself, this is the day to do it with us. So this is
disco ball, Miss Kate?
It's disco ball-ish because I didn't have mirrors, but we have a lot of sparkly, sequiny kind of things.
So fun.
And it is a styrofoam ball. People give us a lot of styrofoam, and you can't really throw it away because it's bad for the environment, but we can certainly use it for doing projects like this. So I'm going to tell you what I did. I have a bowl of glue. I'm using tacky glue, and I used, on this one, it was a mixture of school glue, tacky glue, and wood glue. A thicker glue is better than what I did.
Too thin.
Yeah, exactly. Okay, so also I thought it was easier to brush it on than to use the glue.
Giant paintbrush.
It is a giant paintbrush. It's a giant paintbrush, but it's an old one that's kind of wrecked, so I figured I'm going to wreck it with the glue. It doesn't really matter. Okay, so again, cover your workspace because this is another messy one. So I'm going to just
white.
Okay, and then I'm going to just brush it on. I'm going to show you a few different methods of how I got the sequins on. And yeah, sequins and I don't know, other things that we have. So here's I know, I'm so excited about this. This is so fun. You can put them on by hand and then just know that you're going to get glue on yourself. But then, it's fun to peel off later. Or you could do this. Watch this.
Feels definitely more. Oh yeah. That feels like more fun.
Well, it is more fun. You have to fill in some of the spots, though, but it goes a little bit faster. This is a project that you have to be very patient with. It may take a while. So if you go to buy sequins, you could buy them, online, but you can go to your local art supply store.
Oh, the reuse store.
The reuse store. Yep, that's a really good spot. If you have a reuse store near you, there's one in Oakland that we like, and there's one in San Francisco that we like.
Yeah, because we kind of stopped buying glitter, didn't we? Because it's not so great for the planet.
No, you can't buy glitter.
Do
people give it to us.
Smiley faces?
Yes, this one has, I already put one on here, but this mix, let's see if I can find another smile. Oh yeah, here's one. It's a little green smiley face, look at that. Okay, so I'm going to keep working on this. I'm going to let parts of it dry. I'll keep working on it, but I'm going to show you how you finish it. I will.
From afar, you can sit it in there.
Oh, that's a good idea. Look, Miss Hazel's helping me. I'm going to set it like this so this part can dry. But here's the really fun part in the end. If you want to hang it up, you can take a pipe cleaner, fold it in half, sort of twist the bottom of it so you can see that now it looks like a hook. And then you have to stab your styrofoam ball somewhere. So I'm going to look for a spot, there's a spot right here that doesn't have very many sequins.
Should you get help with this part, Miss Kate?
It's probably a good idea to ask permission and get a little help. So I'm going to put the end of this in some glue, and then I'm going to jam it into the hole that I hopefully made big enough. If not, I'll just do some more. Okay, now I'm going to let that dry.
Oh, that's so fun.
And then give it to Dorothy, and she's going to hang it up in her house.
Also,
it's so sparkly.
You could even put it on your Christmas tree.
You could, but you could hang it up on a hook, or I don't know where we're going to hang it up. Well, we're not going to hang up this one because we're giving it to Dorothy. But here we go. So if you want to make a sparkly disco ball-ish thing, here's the place to do it. Thanks everybody for coming to visit us. We'll see you soon.
Bye, friends.
Bye.